the NAB Show 2026, where broadcast media, entertainment and technology professionals converge right here in Las Vegas. Day 3, NAB Las Vegas 2026, and I'm delighted to be joined by Michelle from Logickeyboard. Hi. How's the show going so far?
It's actually going fantastic. We've had a lot of people stopping by and asking questions, and we're delighted to explain our products to potential editors to change what they're doing.
Yeah. I suppose that's the benefit of the show. It's existing customers, it's reaching out to new customers and listening at the end of the day.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got existing customers that come back to us and want to know what's new, and we're able to talk about our newest product, our Titan model. And then we've got people who have never seen our product before and really didn't even understand that they could make their workflow that much more efficient.
Yeah. So let's pick up on that, because you mentioned two things. So your new product, the Titan keyboard, okay, I'm interested to hear about that. And also how workflows can be improved.
Yeah, so I'll start with how workflows can be improved. There are so many shortcuts within software that our editors and producers have to work with day in and day out. So what we do is we are able to map the keys to identify those shortcuts within the software. And so it essentially makes it that much faster to be able to edit using our keyboard, that the keys are mapped to the software shortcuts. And your workflow is incredibly more efficient when you never have to take your hands off of the keyboard.
I mean, my face is lighting up at that. How clever is that? And speed is everything. When you're working in a live news environment, that's really ticking a big box, but not sacrificing accuracy or quality or anything like that.
Absolutely, yeah. It's it really has helped change and help grow the business so that it becomes a part of the equipment, the hardware that they need to just do what they do best.
Yeah, it's such a vital tool. And you touched on the Titan then, so that's what you're shouting about this year. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so our Titan keyboard is a keyboard that allows them to obviously work within their workflow using the shortcut keys, but it's a much more slim item product that can be used wired or wirelessly. And it can attach to 2 different devices, which in a lot of cases can't happen. So now you can wire your keyboard. It's got 5 levels of backlighting, and you can use it wirelessly, Bluetooth.
Okay. Yeah. No, I hear you. I mean, again, your face is lighting up when you talk about it, because not only is speed and accuracy important, a lot of people are working remotely. You don't want a big clunky keyboard to carry around. So you're tapping into that.
Exactly, yeah, we are tapping into that, and that really has been the majority of our success over the last couple of years as we've rolled this out. So this is year 2 of being at the show and talking to people about it, and we've had major successes with it.
Fantastic. Where do you sit in the market?
We sit in a really good place. We've been in business for 20 years, so we really are the founders of shortcut keyboards to be used with your workflow to be more efficient. What we focus on is just keyboards, and with that we are all about growing with where the software industry is going. And making changes on the fly. One thing about our company is that we are family owned, and so the decision making can move as quickly as the software changes, which is part of what's happening in the future. Things are moving so fast that we really have to be a part of that, and we know we have to be a part of that growth.
So it sounds like you're really listening to what customers need, and you're working hand in hand with major advances in technology to provide solutions.
We are, and we've got some great software partners that we work with, Adobe, Avid, and it's really been fun to develop as they develop and make changes. So those partnerships have really helped.
That collaboration is really useful. Finally, where do you see the future for keyboards?
Oh my gosh, well, in my world, I don't think keyboards are ever going away, but I think the future for us is going to be focused on the change that's happening in the industry and the consolidation, and really focusing on how we can continue to make workflows efficient, because that's what we do best. And this year we've talked about our customization options to our customers, potential customers and people at the show, because it's important for us to be able to be a part of anyone's software. So if there are companies out there that have software that they could have their users be more efficient with because they have a keyboard, we'd like to talk to those folks, and we would like to work with them on development. And so that's really the future of where we want to head, is where the industry's going.
Well, listen, it's been great talking to you. Thank you so much. Good luck with the future, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate the time.